You should have received an email that said launch your speaker portal here. Click on that. That's going to bring you to this screen. You're going to see, first thing you're going to see is information. If this is the event you're looking for, this is Downtown Development Summit, you get the wrong one, you're in the wrong portal, give us a call, we'll fix that. Next thing is my profile. This is Abe Appert's profile. Sorry, Abe, for picking on you, but you were first in the alphabet. So Abe's got his first name, last name. If there's an error there, you can change that. Email, you cannot change. That's a unique identifier. Your title and organization, here's where you can change that. The most important thing here, in my mind, is this About Me section. It's your bio. So copy and paste your bio from your LinkedIn or from your corporate materials, whatever you want, or type something up. Hey, I'd like to meet you at the break, and this is what I do. People get creative in this area. But it's important to note that this is the only really visible place you can put your phone number and your email address if you want other people who are at the event to see that and get that information. So I put it at the top of Abe's bio here so you can see that, and then copied and pasted the bio. Picture. If your picture shows up here and you like it, you're happy with it, it looks good, then just leave it. But if it's not, or it's not one that you like, you can click Browse here and add a different picture if you like. Okay, below that, contact. Personal website, Twitter, organization website, LinkedIn. You can see there are two things for Abe here. Org website and LinkedIn. These are going to create buttons on every place where Abe shows up, where his bio shows up. A button to access the website and a button to access your LinkedIn. Okay, so that has to start with HTTPS or HTTP. Right, that's the key there. Make sure you do that. And then don't forget to save profile. If you don't save your profile, it's not going to go into our system. Okay, a couple more quick things about the speaker portal. Panels. This is where you can see the panels that you're on if you're on multiple, and the other people that are on your panel as well. See the bullet points that you're supposed to talk about and the title of your panel. Assign tasks. If that happens, you'll see them there. Session files is another important point. If you have PowerPoints you want to use during your presentation, upload them here. Then people can download them, and also us as staff, we can download them, have them ready for you at the event, whether that's virtual or live. Announcements, same thing. You'll see announcements come through day of the event. And last but not least, download event application. Okay, so if you open this on your phone, you'll see iOS and Android. Okay, that's open it on your Android phone. Click that button. You're going to get brought to the Android app. Visit web application. That's something different entirely. I don't recommend using that. I'm going to recommend you go to the virtual portal instead. Okay, now I'm going to show you what this stuff looks like to the audience. First up, should have gotten a home here. Home. This is the home base for our downtown development. So people who are coming to watch or watching online see this. Oh, this is an event I want to attend. They scroll down. They're able to see all of the speakers. Here's Abe Appert. His card flips over. You can see his name, his company, and there's those two buttons where it says LinkedIn and his company website. And you see your Abe's logo shows up. The only way to get your logo to show up is for people that are sponsors that are also speakers, or speakers who have bought our speaker kit. If you're interested in that, look me up. Okay, this is a countdown. These are the sponsor logos. All right, next up, I want to show you what the speakers look like. So here's Abe's bio, pops right up because he's first in the alphabet. Again, here's his LinkedIn and website. Here's his bio. That's where you can see his phone number and email address. You can do that for any of the speakers. All right, now I'm going to go on to panels. Here's where people choose what they want to watch. In most cases, our panels are successive, one after the other, but sometimes they run concurrently and people are going to have to pick. Okay, so now you can see panel 1 is these speakers, all things downtown. Panel 2 is where Abe is at. He's on panel 2, and here's where people can see what he's going to talk about. I click on Abe, and it's going to go to the speaker section, again, where we showed you where his bio is. Last but not least, I want to show you what it looks like in the virtual environment. If I were to click on Access Virtual Event, I've already done that. Here it is. This is where people are brought to this first screen for watching virtually. You can see this event's already occurred. So there's a video here, a replay of that event.
Well, thank you, Steve, and good morning, everyone. How are you today?
You can come in here and rewatch what he said. Okay, and all of the panels are there. This is Abe's panel. You can see his picture shows up again here. This Learn More will be activated if you have your bio uploaded. Only if you have your bio will people be able to see that and click that. And again, speakers, now you can see this is a very clean look. We've got Abe's logo here for his company. You can see website, LinkedIn, and his bio again. Here's a very important part of this, is this start chat. So if someone's in the audience and you have your cell phone on or you have your notifications activated, you can chat with somebody in the audience, whether they're live or whether they're a virtual audience, and they can chat with you. If you have your notifications turned off, you won't see that until you open up your app and look at it. But you might, hey, Let's meet at the break. Sounds good. Okay, last but not least, networking. So everybody that's at the event, whether they're working a booth, whether they're speaking, whether they're staff, will have something in here. Very similar. Abe's bio, headshot, and the start chat button are going to show up in there. That's our speaker portal. Thank you.